But if I beat this guy, then he needs to shave his head bald. Like, whoa! Can we do it tonight, dang it? I'm all in. I am taking your hair. Bond's going bald! I just rolled up to Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I've never sold window cleaning door to door. But we're about to go sell windows for the first time ever. Let's see how this goes. Just stay back with these guys. Somebody call on us?
Yeah. You guys have a permit?
I'm actually new, so I just started with them. I'm a sales trainer. We're just doing the window cleaning. This is the best I got for you right now.
Do you have a permit?
No, sir.
To the city?
No.
Okay.
They just had me knock out here with the guys.
Okay. You have to have a permit to
Okay. How do we go about
solicit.
How do we go about getting one of those?
Yep. So through our community center, you can go online and get the permit.
Cool.
You can download it, fill it out.
Okay.
It's $200 and a $35 background.
Can I get it done today?
I believe they close at 4, so probably not today.
It's 4.
The background process can take a couple days, so yeah, it wouldn't get done today anyway.
Okay. Where do I need to go to look that up for the permit and everything?
I'll print it out for you so you can
Please
fill
do.
it out.
Guys, thank you. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Name's Austin. Pleasure to meet you. Sorry to cause
Do
this.
you have your ID with you?
All the way back at my car. If you'd like, I can go all the way back and go grab it, or I can write down my name.
Yep.
Okay. Sir, thank you. I appreciate it.
So this is the application here. I don't know why it prints out an extra page, but that's where you can fill in everyone else's information.
I can get multiple people at once.
Yep. So
This is not bad at all.
Yeah, it's pretty easy, but like I said, it is a $200 fee, and then a $35
Per person?
That is a good question. I don't know.
Okay.
But they do a simple background check.
Okay.
And then, yeah. So the Maple Grove Government
Thank you.
Center.
Stay super calm, super respectful, and you're fine. I did tell Norman that we were missing some cop footage, so make it for a good episode. How y'all doing today? Good, how are you?
Good, I like your haircut, brother. You're both bald. I'm doing training for these young bucks today. I like your chain too, we match, man. Bald and gold chain. So, and your name, sir, is?
Billy.
Billy. Okay, so Billy, I'll be quick. I know I'm not the first guy to talk to this summer. We're just doing the window cleaning. When is the last time you guys had the windows cleaned over the last couple weeks?
Not in the last couple weeks.
Okay, so that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm not one of those like pushy sales guys. My only job is just to get up, like count up the windows, give you a quick quote. That way you can have a decision. You can have enough information to make a decision or not. I'll just count up the windows, give you a quick quote. Do you want to walk with me to count them or just meet me in the backyard?
I can just meet you in the back.
Okay, cool. We'll get a quick count for you and meet you back there.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 16 on the front.
Yep.
17, 18.
Yep.
19, 20, 21, 22.
That'll be 22 there.
Guys, thanks for helping me here.
Yep.
22.
And then, did you see the 2 on the side?
Okay, cool. We'll just keep you on this one. I hate it. Nobody saw him. Nobody saw it. As the windows collect dust and then the dirt, they seep down into the sills, which can cause the windows to pop off the frames.
The windows to pop off the frames. The windows to pop off the frames.
Right.
And like become opaque. That's why from time to time, as a house ages, you'll see like the windows get more of like a foggy glare to it. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about.
What you be saying?
I mean, I just consider this kind of like a utility bill, water bill, stuff like that. We just want to make sure we put something in place to protect the windows. So what I'll do for you is every time we come out, we have a water-fed pole where we're actually going to clean off all the windows. But if you want to let her know, like if she wants to come out, I'd be happy to answer questions.
She's watching the World Cup, so she's not moving.
Who's playing right now?
France and somebody.
Morocco.
Morocco.
France and Morocco.
France and Morocco.
Okay, what do we got?
Apparently, I didn't know, this guy's like a family friend that just kind of gives him the family discount here. So,
Yeah.
And they just come out like a couple times a year, so.
Gotcha.
So we're okay right now.
So is it mainly the frequency that was holding her back or the price?
I think it's the price. Yeah,
Okay.
because like I said, he does it really cheap, and like you said, and it's just because it's the family.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Like I said, she
Gotcha.
kind of does all this stuff. Normally she would answer the door, but she's, like I said,
I heard her screaming.
They're screaming about the World Cup.
Okay, who's she rooting for?
I think France.
Okay, cool.
I don't know. I'm in my office. I'm not watching.
Yeah. Okay,
But
hey,
thanks for coming
God bless you, okay?
All right.
Have a good one.
I'm happy you're here on the YouTube page. It's a lot of free content, but if you really want to take this job seriously and treat it like a career, invest in yourself, put a little bit of skin in the game, and let's get on the training course. Guys, I have an iOS app with an Android app coming soon. Plug into this daily. This needs to be like your daily sales breakfast, okay? Consume major sales training every single day before you're on the doors, and you will sell lights out. You'll be at the top of your leaderboard, and people are gonna wonder how you got there, guys. You need to train daily. Hop on the course today. Let's get back on the video. See you soon.
Don't mention the windows are gonna pop off the seals.
What?
We're all laughing.
Your windows are gonna fall.
Yeah.
What I'm doing out here, we're actually doing all the windows out here. So the frames, the sills, the panels, just because as you know with the Minnesota weather, we've got a lot of, in fact, you'll see it right here.
You said them done recently or not?
Yeah, I can't say that we think we have. We basically with all.
Paid somebody, I don't know who it was.
Okay. Well, we're just getting all the windows cleaned up. That way it looks nice, and you know, obviously make the appearance of the home look better. Is she here right now?
Let me go see.
Yeah, of course. That'd probably be easy.
We were gone for like 3 weeks.
Where we at?
Oh, we have a cabin up north.
Oh, okay,
That guy's
sure.
yawning. You're not gonna get any work out of him.
Wake up, dude. We're snagging some deals. Vaughn's going bald. So hopefully there's something you're learning from me already.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Obviously, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm like, your windows are gonna pop off.
Yeah.
But I'll just get a quick count, and then I'll meet you out back to kind of.
Yeah, well, what about, did you tell you about the sunroom?
My priority is all the glass ones because those are obviously way more expensive to replace if they get broken. You know what I mean? Oh, and you'll love it. I'll get a quick count. I'll meet you out back,
Yeah.
and then let's just see if it works.
Okay.
Happy to help. Okay. So I'll get my trainees counting. I got to get them working. Okay. Dude, this is a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I really like this, and we have a really good shot at getting this because she doesn't like the other guy. With your house, you've got a lot of more bigger windows, and so we just run it by panel. And so it actually ends up being way more affordable for you because they're so big. We're actually gonna bundle it. So the first one we do for, here, let me just pull this up.
I tell you what, walk around to the front,
Yeah,
go to the front, and I want Chris to hear this because then he knows
He'll-
my window's clean.
I don't know when she did it last.
Miss Trapp, how do I spell your first name? Okay. What's your phone number?
218.
218. Who's got the water?
Here, I'm gonna give you some, whoever else.
Who's one? Nope. Okay, so I've got this right here. So you'll see right here, it's just gonna be the 365 for the first one.
It is. What do you want? Water?
We're good.
You asked for.
You got water?
Good. Okay. You're like the other one.
But I'll just put you on the renter's plan. And then remember, when I come in November, that's gonna be an interior clean to make sure we have the interiors looking nice and shiny. I like the way you ask all the questions and make sure that it's good for the new guys to kind of see how things work too.
And I've never sold window cleaning door to door.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and get you scheduled, see what we have today. Guys, you wanna look at today?
Today, we don't have
put it-
more
put it
slots
tomorrow.
Today. Yeah, tomorrow.
We just should put a card on file. Would you rather do debit or credit for that first one? We'll just put it on file. Like, what? They're already asking for money? We just put it on file.
Might be a bug guy.
Yeah. I heard those bug guys give you a hard time, huh? You get roaches in there? Yeah, say goodbye to the kitchen. They ruin the kitchen, man. Those bug boys, I think they're actually putting bugs on people's property. You know, just give it 3 months and this is gonna be prime hood to knock doors. I like to remember my customers, so I'll shoot you a selfie of me and y'all. That way you remember the window guy. You ready? 1, 2, 3. That way you always remember me.
And go hit them next door.
Okay, we're gonna go to them next, but okay, some guys.
They were all at the cabin and they just took all of our food.
Oh, really?
Look at that. Grocery service included with the window cleaning.
Damn good deal.
You'll see us tomorrow between 1 and 3, okay? Have a blessed day. Doors are doors, people are people.
Yes.
Sales are
I
sales.
love that. Yeah.
You like that, guys? This is a fun little session.
Yes. I love it.
I got into 4 backyards. I mean, everybody that opened the door, backyard.
Yeah.
I was hella nervous popping up, guys.
You did great.
Braden and Joe invested a lot to have me come out here,
Yeah.
and I ain't never sold windows in my life.
Right.
It ain't bad.
No.
It ain't bad, is it?
No.
It's just, okay, so look, one last thing. Andy, Elliott, and I are gonna be selling door to door on November 20th in Arizona.
Okay.
The guy doesn't know anything about pest control. Yeah.
Okay, so I can't imagine anybody being like, no, please, don't get all the bugs out of my house. You know, I want my dog to die of a spider bite.
Dude, you're gonna crush it.
Is that for sure set in stone?
Oh, he knows nothing about it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Just like I know nothing about windows, but
Yeah.
why can we sell?
Because you're confident.
We're confident in
You
ourselves.
believe in yourself. Oh, yeah.
We believe in ourselves. We know that we want to make the sale. Do we believe the product is good for the customer?
Yes.
Yes. Do I say some wild stuff like your windows are gonna break?
Yeah.
The windows to pop off the frame. Yeah, and they just like, oh yeah.
Yeah.
So Andy, when I sell pest control door to door with him, it's going to be hilarious because he's going to say the craziest stuff in the world and people are going to be like, yep.
What does it cost? A couple $100?
It's not bad.
Whatever. And it's going to end with everybody going, whoa!
Yeah.
And I'm like, I knew that was going to happen.
Like, it's awesome though. It just shows like, don't get too in your head about product knowledge because I picked up a couple lines from you and now I'm good.
Yeah.
So just remember, it's all about moving the customer, building value. And then when I did a price drop, I'm like, I really want to help you out. And with her, I knew she only wanted it twice a year. So I let her feel like she had some power. And I said, well, we have an every 3-month option or an every 4-month option. What do you like?
Experimenting with that, and I like that.
Dude, I just knew that she was gonna go 2 month, 2 month, 2 months. I was like, I don't wanna do every 2 months because I gotta come inside. So I do an every 3-month option or every 4-month option. Which one do you prefer? Yeah. So I option closed her there, but either way she answered, it's still in my favor, correct?
Yeah. And then you got her to also agree that she wants to get it done.
I mean, you do see value in the service, right?
Yes.
You heard me say that all today?
Yep.
You do see value in the service first,
yeah,
Chip.
yeah.
You do see value in getting the service done, right?
Yep.
Boom, like we just lock them down. Okay. Cool. Awesome session, guys.
Yeah, that was great.
Okay.
Do we get to see you again? Or no?
This is it for you guys, and then I got to go to another group and another group.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna get in backyards all day, baby.
It's gonna be awesome. You got to beat Vaughn. What is he at?
Is it revenue? Because if it's revenue, I'm gonna whoop his butt.
It's revenue.
Oh yeah, dude. Let's go. Because what is he at right now?
He is at 2,100.
Okay, I'm in 1,000, dude. He can kick rocks, dude. I'm over 1,000. I'm a big heavy hitter because I can only do big ones today. High five.
No.
No?
Have a good day.
You know, at least you were nice about it.
Yeah.
I mean, kinda, right? Take care, bro. Look at me and you. We have the same haircut.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
Hello.
Hello. So we're doing the bugs. I'm sorry, not the bug service. We're doing the windows, okay? So our truck's in your guys' neighborhood today, tomorrow, Monday. It's super cheap.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sir. Happy birthday to you.
Nice to meet you. I'm just training these guys. My name is Rico.
I'm not in charge. This isn't my home. I'm sorry.
Cool. Well, we're just doing some of the window washing, so just let the homeowners know that some guys stopped by.
I think some other people stopped by today and they weren't interested.
Biggest learning lesson I've learned right now is
close distance at the door, number one.
The distance between me and the customer, and number two, don't set any expectations. Just get into the backyard and give the price.
Don't tell them that it's for the future. Here's a price that you can let us know for later.
Would you backtrack that to not saying it's for tomorrow either? Just saying, hey, I'm just here giving out a quick price?
Yeah, you could, just to get, because what I'm learning in window cleaning is if you can get to the backyard, we have higher chances of closing.
Yes, yep, because I feel like
then
if
when you get to the backyard, you could basically Trojan horse them and be like, well, look, because we're already here.
That was gonna, yeah.
But what you don't want to do is, hey, well, keep in mind for the future.
Yeah.
So you can think about it next time, and then I can write it down on paper for you. Anytime you write things down on paper, they're gonna get a way out. Sold my first Windows accounts. Yeah. Let's go. Chipotle, every day. Two servings of chicken, 1 serving of rice with some fajita veggies on top. And you get jacked.